Hi guys, welcome to this new video about affiliate marketing. I hope you watched my previous video because in the previous videos you learned many things, and if you reached that video now, you probably got some education about affiliate marketing. Either it's with the 15-day business builder challenge or anywhere else. You probably now have your own strategy. You built your business plan, and you probably also know what mistakes to avoid as an affiliate marketer, and you also probably now understand the problem of your audience, and you have something to offer that will resolve that problem or that will solve that problem. So now it's time to promote your affiliate product online. But how do we do that? There are several ways to promote your affiliate product online. Um, you can think of your own Facebook, profile. You can start a Facebook page. You can start your own Facebook group, or you can join other Facebook groups that are related to your affiliate product, and you can watch people comment there or ask questions, and then you can reply to them, and in your answer or reply to them you can offer them to talk to them or reach them personally through a messenger, and get to know them. Don't just pitch your affiliate link like that, because it will not work. So just establish a relationship with the people there, and once you understand their problem, just say, now it's the time that you can say that maybe you have a solution for them. So that's the time you would probably just send them your affiliate links. You can also start your own YouTube channel. You can create small videos about your affiliate product, and in the description of your video you will write something about your affiliate product, what is the problem that you're solving, and how it can help your audience to solve their problem. And then in your description you can also post your affiliate link. Another way to promote your affiliate link is through blogs. You can open your blog on anywhere. There's many websites that you can start your own blog, like Blogger, or there are multiple out there that you can use. And the way to use the blog to promote your affiliate link is to write articles about a problem, and in your articles you will write a description of your problem. You will promote a solution to the problem, and in the text of your blog you're gonna put there your affiliate links. That's a way you can do promoting your affiliate links in blogging. Another way that I find interesting is creating pins on Pinterest. Pinterest is a search engine. It's a visual search engine. So what you have to do is create a pin. What do we call a pin? And it's basically an image, or an animated image, or a small video that you can post on Pinterest, and just promoting your product or affiliate link, etc. So it's pretty easy to use, and you can have pretty nice exposure for your brand. You can also use Twitter. Twitter is very popular, but it's a bit more limited. So you can, by example, if you write a blog, you can take the link of your blog and post it on Twitter. So you will generate some views on Twitter, and you generate traffic to your blog through Twitter. So the main goal here is to generate traffic to your affiliate product through your affiliate link. So The more you post, like I said, on Facebook, on Pinterest, on YouTube, on a blog website, you will just send all the people to your affiliate link. So Twitter is a good example, but for me it's not working well because my Twitter account is pretty new, so I don't have a lot of followers. But it's okay because I'm just posting and posting and posting, and I don't stop. I just, one day it will grow anyway. So it will be another way for me to send people to my affiliate links. One of my favorite one is I'm creating content on TikTok. So if you don't know TikTok already, TikTok is a platform, it's a social media specialized with short videos. So videos can be from like 5 seconds to 1 minute, and you just convince people or talk to people, expose the solution that you have for their problems, and in your bio in TikTok you can put there your affiliate link or put a link to go to your YouTube channel or your blog website, etc. So one way or the other you're gonna funnel the people to your affiliate link one way or the other. So like me in my TikTok profile, I have a link there in my bio. When they click on the link, I bring them to a one-page website, and on that web page what I promote is the Legendary Marketer class. Another one is you can post on Instagram. Pretty easy. Instagram is a bit like Pinterest. You post image, animated image, or small short videos, and also you can promote your links, your affiliate links, your product with nice visual. So people interested in your product or that are attracted by your image will probably click on your Instagram post, and then they will see in the description or on your profile, they will see your affiliate link or a link to your website, etc. So on your website, you're going to bring them to your affiliate link one way or the other. I will talk about a last one now. It's paid ads. Paid ads are like Google ads, or you can have paid ads on Facebook. You can also make promotions on TikTok. You can, paid promotion. You can have also paid promotion on Pinterest. So they are almost all the platforms now offers paid ad. They offer paid ad. So as a beginner, I would not recommend to use paid ads because you can spend a lot of money on ads, and the return, if you don't do the thing properly or very well, you can lose a lot of money with paid ads. Trust me, I've been there, so I know what I'm talking about. So don't try to spend too much on paid ads at the beginning unless you have already a budget for that. But trust me, if like by example on YouTube, you can have video ads on YouTube. When you watch a video, there's an ad at the beginning or in the middle of the video. If you don't spend like $10 US per day, you won't get a lot of attraction on your ads, and you won't get a lot of click on your ads. So I don't recommend that unless you have already a nice budget to reserve for ads, for paid ads. So if you are a beginner, again, just stay away from there. Don't use paid ads at the beginning. Just grow your audience organically on all the platforms that I showed to you before, like Facebook, Pinterest, YouTube, etc. So it's a good way to start. It's a good way to grow your audience. And TikTok is one of the best because it's very hot and you can grow your audience very, very fast, very quickly compared to other platforms. So as you can see, the key here is to create a lot of content on different platforms. You know, don't spread yourself at the beginning and open a YouTube channel, open a TikTok, open a Facebook, open a no. You know, start with one, master it, then go to the other one, and master it, go to the other one again. So if you spread yourself on all the platforms, you will get discouraged. Trust me, I've been there, done that. So the point is that if you master one, you're gonna post content on that one. You know, be consistent, post regularly, not like I will post every day, and then suddenly you start to post once a week. You know, your audience will expect things from you, so just respect your audience. And you know, when you are good at Facebook, YouTube, Pinterest, etc., etc. When you look at that from behind, it might look like it's a lot of work, but trust me, when you get used to it, you know, particularly like example like TikTok. My first video on TikTok, I think I spent 1 hour in front of my camera and delete, redo again, delete. Don't target perfection. You know, if you are natural and you make mistakes, that's fine. You look more natural, you look more human, you know. So it's not a lot of work. When you get used to it, it will be very fast. You know, like me, even if I'm posting on Pinterest, on YouTube, I'm starting on YouTube. So on TikTok, on Facebook, it's not taking me like more than 2 hours per day, maximum. And when I say maximum, it's maximum because, you know, instead of sitting on my couch in the living room watching Netflix, I prefer to invest my 2 hours on myself, on my business, and try to grow my business so that I will make even more money with it. So one day when I'm gonna make like 30K a month, maybe I can start to watch, you know, one movie on a Saturday night and it will be fine. So my priority now is to build my own future. I want to have a good financial future. I don't want to rely on my actual job because now I'm doing, you know, my job plus my online business. So I don't want to rely only on my job to secure my financial future. I want to be the master of my financial future. That's why I'm working hard to build that online business, and affiliate marketing for me is the best way to get there. So I hope you enjoyed that video. If you liked it, just thumbs up to the video, subscribe to my channel. I will post video here regularly, so I hope to see you on the next one.